Nagawin ng...
How bad go?
No, it's not. She wants to play. Look at her tail. It's wiggling.
You're sure shaking.
Shaking or wiggling. Look at his tail. She wants to play with you. Right?
Oi. It's biting at tayo. Oi. Give me a bite. You bite my ice cream.
What?
You bite my ice cream.
She wants to bite your ice cream? Really?
Look at that.
Wala.
Take that the hole.
Huh?
It's scared.
Scared?
Yeah.
Wala.
What's that?
Biggie C. Is that small or big? Small.
One-fourth na eh. One-fourth. Pila?
Uy, paano pang tubig pre? Ikaw magkaog mga tamis. Kada kaog tamis ka, paano pang tubig?
Did you drink water na?
Yeah.
Did you drink water after eating sweets?
Hey. Boy, bro.
No, it's not a bad dog. She wants to play.
Here's your dog place.
What? She wants only to play. Look at her tail. Look at her tail.
Wiggling.
Her tail is wiggling.
Her tail wiggly dog.
No, stupid dog. Don't call stupid. Don't call stupid. Telling stupid is
dog.
bad.
You say stupid spot.
Telling stupid word is bad.
It's bad words.
Oh yeah, stupid is bad word. Yes. Yes. It's a bad word. Yes. It's a bad word.
Silly dog.
Silly dog. Telling stupid word is a bad word. Look at your hands. It's dripping. Oh my. Oh, look at your t-shirt. It's dirty now. It's melting.
It's okay.
No, it's not.
It's okay. Papa will wash that. Papa will wash your paper.
It's not.
It fast. Stupid dog.
No, it's not. Hey, your bike will be damaged because look what your papa did. What will happen to your bike?
No, I'm only sitting on it.
No, what will happen to your bike? Look.
Sitting.
Look! Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Wash hands. Very good. Wash hands.
That's me, dog.
Excuse me, dog.
Excuse me, my dog.
What Nanay Janet did? Doing? What Nanay Janet doing?
Labas sila.
Naglabas, kanina. Go back to your daddy. Go back.
Okay, your turn. Okay, your turn now. Your turn.